Welcome to Chris Hair Pie. I hope you all are doing well. So, this hairstyle is a quick hairstyle that if you're going for an event and you don't have all the time to maybe visit a salon or sit down and do your hair, you can just do with this and you'll be looking great. So, we are going to be doing a C part. So that is what I'm doing. I'm just parting the hair. This is the hair we are going to leave out before sewing our bundles so that at the end of the hairstyle everything will look natural. So after parting out that portion, I just twist it and I'm still going to part out another portion by the ear. So this is what we have. Remember, it's a quick hairstyle, so I'm not going to start cornrowing like all my hair. I'll just do two big cornrows behind so that I put all the hair together. Then we go ahead and start sewing in the bundles. So if you've watched up to this point and you are not yet subscribed to my channel, this is a place to be. Please kindly hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that each time I upload a new video you'll be instantly notified. If you would like to learn how to cornrow your hair by yourself, I have a video on my channel teaching you how to cornrow your hair. So I'll be leaving the link to that video in the description or maybe somewhere up here so that if you want to learn how to cornrow your own hair, you can definitely go and watch that video. It's a very detailed tutorial and learn from there. So we are just going ahead to use this net to put everything together. So this is the bundle I am using. I'm just like set timing where it has to sit. Then I'm using the bobby pin or styling pin to pin it where I want it to be so that it just stay at the spot while I sew it. So that's what I'm doing. And guys, if you've watched this far and you're not yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your notifications so that each time I upload a video you'll be instantly notified. So you just keep watching and learning, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Where I place my finger is a guide for me to know the spot where I'm going to sew the next stitch. So I'm just doing like using a finger. Like when I sew like this, I put my hand like a finger to know where I'm going to sew the next stitch. So that's how I sew my hair, given the fact that I don't have a back nail, so I use my finger as the guide. So the finger is not just there to support like the hair or the weft, it is also there to give a guide of where the needle has to set. So when I reach at the front here, I'm just going to secure it. So I always make sure I form a knot with the needle before starting to sew again so that it doesn't unravel or so that it remains solid. And if you notice very well, I'm sewing my chain stitches to make sure that everything sits very well, and that is how I just keep sewing it till we have a perfect result. So when I come to the end, I just flip the hair backward and continue sewing. And when flipping it, I flip it in a way that it will lie down flat on the hair so that we don't have anything like bumping or not looking seamless in the hair. So it's just basically the same process, and I continue sewing like this.